Hello, my name is Songgun Lee, and this is my Physics 129L final project. I made an automated warehouse inventory and verification system. It also does analytics, and I made sure it doesn't make any errors. I will elaborate that later, but let me show you what I wrote. So here, this is my directory for my final project. And I wrote 6 files. In the barcode, a lot of these are just libraries. Well, not a lot of these, but anyways, some of these are libraries, but the main file is the GUI file. So when, let's say I run the GUI file, then this is in my kiosk mode. It means that it's in a full screen, and if I want to exit, I just hit ESC. And it's back, but let me run that again, or I can alternatively click that button. Okay, so first I have my barcode reader, and I would have to read a waybill. Let's make sure that we scan a waybill, not an item. So this is obviously not a waybill. And what happens when so it says invalid waybill. Now let me get an actual waybill. Actual waybill is this. It's in a different format, and when I hit that, then we get Marian Ramirez's order. Okay, let's see what she ordered. She ordered mini flagware dark brown, and we don't have to do it in order, so let me demonstrate it to you. I'll do mink more rabbit keyring black. Then it's done, and as you can see, the left did not change, and we get a scanned good pass sign, not a fail sign. What happens if I do it again? It says already scanned. Okay, now let's move on to Misugaru. And where is powder? Misugaru, Pixelgi. Well, we have mini flagware black here. So mini flagware black. It's scanned. Let's go to dark brown. She ordered one of these. And it's scanned. So sometimes it makes an error, but that's because of the input of the barcode itself was flawed, and it would say unknown. And lastly, we have mink more, and it's like that. That would be an error code, but so yeah. Finally, we're done. Order verified and inventory updated. Okay. And we would do a different waybill. Let's see the example that we did in my LaTeX file. It is Rachel Morrow's order. She ordered 2 mini flagware tans and 1 powder. So 2 of these, scanned, and if I do it once more, it will say unknown, or it will say already scanned. And then we have mink more powder. It says scanned. Okay. Now let's see what I would do with these informations. So one, I made sure that I scanned the right items for my orders. And I would go to ESC. So I would run my sales analytics Python file. So as you can see, the y-axis is all integers, and it shows my winner item. So it's mini flagware tan first, and then all these other ones, they were only 1 sold. These are all automatically assigned the colors. I watched those in YouTube and some web links. And then when I close that, I get my daily sales in the last 30 days. Unfortunately, I've been making this since before Thanksgiving break. So it was probably around here. Well, it was probably around here, but I lost all those data points because I was fixing some of the nitty bitty things. And I didn't know about Unicode until now, but these emojis are really, really helpful for visualization. Even when in the GUI files, I had those emojis and these check marks, they're all Unicode. Okay, so when I save that, I get my reorder report. And we see that the JSON files are made. So let's if I want to see my current stock, I will do Vim current stock. And it shows how much is deducted because, and this comes from the original inventory file, which is, where is original inventory stock? Oh. So yeah, that was my original inventory start. It would be starting inventory, but yeah, that is it. Oh, and let's see. Is that it? Yeah, I guess that is it. Let me elaborate a little bit about what I meant by like it doesn't make errors. I was thinking of making a neural network project, like a camera reading the things that the camera sees, which bag color is it. At the same time, it is not 100% guaranteed because some natural colors are different. The lighting might be different that day, etc. I made a longer version of and at the same time, I was thinking of making beepers in this system, but I realized in the warehouse, it's going to be loud. Two, we're going to be dealing with older people, as in people in their 70s are doing this in the warehouse that I used to work for, and we can't really rely on their hearings, unfortunately. But yeah, I really want to thank everyone, Seth, Professor Lipman, for helping me go through this. They helped me build the architecture of it, and honestly, it wasn't too challenging thanks to the informations provided in the World Wide Web. So, and also, yeah, I had to import a lot of different, well, not import, but use a lot of different things that I learned in through YouTube and everything, like barcode integration, GUI design, data visualization, the finite machine system, finite state machine, and because I had to scan, when I was scanning the waybill, when it was time to scan the waybill, it has to make sure that it's not an item. It has to be a waybill. And there has to be hash map optimization, separation of concerns, event-driven architectures, all the system logics. But thanks to everyone's help and thanks to all the resources provided in the internet, I was able to go through this. Yes, this is it for my final project, and thank you so much again, Seth, Professor Lipman, Mr. and Mrs. Kim from Maison de Celine, the CEOs who helped me get through this, and my manager, Mr. Ha Seung-moo. He provided all the barcode information and some of the waybill informations as mock data for me to use. So thank you so much. I really appreciate my TA and my professor and my employers.